te ko bi bara set ban ngapang so bai pi akan ka channel unom KHUBOR te bade ni ka result jong written examination for a post Peon kalami imam tama ko bade jong office of deputy commissioner district selection committee DSC te ko bade jong East Khasi district Shillong te unch player kan dia ka umno po unch player ni ka umno ma. The result of the written examination for a post Peon conducted on the 7th March 2026 by the District Selection Committee, East Khasi Hills District Shillong is hereby declared. The eligible candidates bearing the following roll numbers are hereby declared to have qualified to appear for the next stage of the recruitment process. The Badaibunika hol kumang pima Badaibunika result jonika written exception for post Peon ba kapang ito nika 7 March ma. Kan trik to 7 March te beri joni DSC ma kalami mo result te candidates ki ba PE candidates ento the candidates bearing the following numbers are hereby declared to have qualified to appear te beri between candidates bilang page turun pon to po page pi sampai tadi turun po tapi dan app turun gear pon to po ma te dengan cepat ini kan cepat ini kan pertandingan kamu no. In compliance to office memorandum number 2 dated Shillong the 24th July 2023 and office memorandum number 2 supplier dated Shillong the 12th January 2026 issued by personnel of the military reforms departments government of Meghalaya. This is for information that the qualified candidates are to mandatory appear for qualifying paper on knowledge of local language Khasi language in the case of East Khasi districts. The beri betu ki qualify candidates ma ki ban appear skawi pat dan kawi ka omno ka ni kumbang ni ma to that they qualify Meghalaya. This is information that the qualified candidates are to mandatorily appear for qualified paper on knowledge of local language ma te beri ni to knowledge paper you have to price appear to te knowledge paper knowledge of local language te ka point tu ko omno pet ma. The knowledge of local language paper will be held on the 18 March. Kata ni ma, 18 March 2026. Such eligible candidates are requested to visit the designated website for the e-admit card ma and to download the same WF 16 March 2026. Candidates are advised to check the district website from time to time for latest updates. Beri knowledge beri tu ka pihak appear ma ki candidates ba qualified. Pihak appear knowledge of local language paper will be kandia ka tarik March 2026. The such eligible candidates are requested to visit the website for the e-admit card. Beri eligible candidates ma pihak boleh visit lagi ka website download ka page ka admit card ma. Ketika point number 3 omno all eligible candidates must mandatorily report for verification of documents on the 14 March 2026 at the Rio Deputy Commissioner East Khasi District Shillong at Peon area, second floor from 10:30 am onwards. Once the document photos to be submitted at the verification counter. The eligible candidates pihak poi ladi ma verification ki documents ng bara aka ka 1 March apo Deputy Commissioner East Khasi District Shillong aka atrium area ma second floor ni second floor aka por posting on one. The one set of the document photos to be submitted at the verification number ma photos copies. It is to be noted that pertaining to cases tried, only those genuine cash certificate should be contained from the will be etc. for the claiming the sufficient benefits. The beri mereka point before no. This is for further information for eligible candidates that the qualifying paper on knowledge of local language will be descriptive paper of total marks of total 100 marks ma. The total marks are and to qualify for the same, the eligible candidates must score at least 40 marks, which is taken to be the pass mark. Only those eligible candidates qualified on knowledge of local language paper, Khasi language, and based on the overall merit of the candidate in written examination, will be recommended for the post Peon. The beri eligible candidates when apply when qualifying for paper on knowledge of local language ma. The kata mark event the descriptive language paper will be descriptive paper of total marks and spa marks, and to qualify for the same eligible. The eligible candidates must score at least at least support marks which taken to be pass marks The only those candidates who qualify for knowledge papers base. Separately, only those candidates eligible candidates who qualified knowledge of local language paper, Khasi language, and based on the overall merit of needed examination will be recommended for the post Peon. They will be in video, share, like, subscribe, they will be paper.